Hello, second grade friends. We are on Google Classroom this week, so you can find your assignment on Google Classroom in your own classroom. We are going to be reading some information about plant life cycles today and answering some questions. Okay, so you can follow along with me, or if you have already finished it at home with somebody else, that's cool too. All right, I'm going to read out loud. It says plant life cycles. Every living thing goes through changes. Living things grow through different stages. Then they reach the end of their life cycles and die. There are many kinds of plants. Each kind has its own life cycle. Many plants start their life cycles as a seed. The seed needs certain things or it will not grow into a plant. Sometimes seeds wait in the ground until they can get the things they need. They wait for warmth from the sun. They wait for water. When they have what they need, they start to grow. A tiny little sprout will push out of each seed. The sprouts stretch up until they poke through the dirt and into the air. The plants continue to grow when they get sunshine and water. The stems grow taller and leaves unfold. More leaves and stems grow on the main stems. The adult plants grow flowers. The flowers of many plants make fruit. The fruit has seeds inside it, so more new plants can grow. New plants look like their parent plants. Seeds from a parent plant will grow into the same kind of plant as the parent. When a seed begins to grow, it is the beginning of another plant life cycle. All right, let's Miss A see if she can't find the questions here. All right, I'm just gonna move you guys this way a little bit. Okay, cool. All right, so what is the process of living, growing, changing, and dying called? Well, that's an easy question, right? What was that entire article about? It was about life cycles, right? So you grow, you live, you change, you die, and then it happens all over again. So the answer to number 1 is life cycle. Without even reading this article, I know you know the answer to number 2. How do many plants begin? What do they start off as? Seeds. Good job. Seeds is number 2. Number 3, what 2 things does a seed need to have with it in the ground to be able to grow? If I don't remember, I can probably go back into the story, and in the second paragraph, it talks about how sometimes the seeds don't grow until they get the things that they need. And it says sometimes they wait in the ground until they get the things they need. They wait for warmth from the sun, and they wait for water. So number 3, what 2 things does a seed need to have with it in the ground? Sunshine and water. Number 4, where can you usually find seeds in an adult plant? Where are the seeds in a fruit? They're usually on the inside, right? So in the inside of the fruit you can find them. And number 5, what kind of plant will a seed grow into? The story says, I'm moving you guys sideways over here. In the very last paragraph, it says new plants look like their parent plants. Seeds from a parent plant will grow into the same kind of plant as the parent. So if you have a seed that's a sunflower seed, it's not going to grow into a pine tree because its parents were not pine trees. So number 5, what kind of plant will a seed grow into? The answer is the same kind of plant that the parent was, the parent plant. All right, I know it doesn't super feel like spring outside yet. It's still kind of chilly. Knock on wood. My hand is not made out of wood. I don't know why I did that. My table is. Knock on wood that